Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and Travis Scott is back at it again with the Jordan brand team on the Air Jordan 1 lows. This is a completely different colorway that we have yet to see with Travis and the Jordan brand team. These are the tropical pinks. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, thanks for hopping on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we are going to be talking about an Air Jordan 1 low. This is a collaboration with Travis Scott and Jordan brand, and these are in the tropical pink colorway. We'll go through the overview, jump into size and fit, then we'll talk about how I styled this, a really nice pop of pink and red, and then we'll conclude with how crazy well these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. So as far as the Air Jordan 1 silhouette in general, Travis Scott has definitely put his mark and print in his different color blocking color schemes throughout the years. I was really stoked to see this colorway. I feel like for some reason this was definitely meant to drop during Valentine's Day, but clearly I feel like maybe there were some hiccups and this got pushed into the summertime. Nonetheless, super really just vibrant pops of color, great for the summer, great for the springtime. So I am glad that these at least dropped at the tail end of spring heading into summer, since I will be wearing, I feel like, more pops of color. As far as the color scheme goes, these dropped in two different colorways. So this is the tropical pink. There was also a shy pink. So I do feel like the shy pink was a little bit more subdued in colorway, so a lot more cream, and instead of this bright pop of red on the swoosh, you were getting the cream and light shy pink on the swoosh mark instead. Let me know definitely in the comments between the two color variations, what was your favorite? I think for myself, I absolutely love the tropical pink. I was debating whether or not I wanted both, and I decided to just land on the tropical pink variation since it does have a bit more vibrant pop of color. So starting at the upper, we do have this light pastel pink shade, and we've got some sail tone for that tumbled leather. Then I currently have mine laced up with just simple cream laces. You're going to see on the eyelets, we've got the tumbled cream on there, and the tongue has a nice shade of pink. Then we've got Nike with a cute little heart, which is new for Travis. So definitely given those Valentine's Day vibes. We've got Cactus Jack braiding on the side on top of the sail in the red hue. You do get two colorway options. So we've got this light shade of pink or red. Thinking I may actually swap these out eventually with red just to kind of see what it looks like with a little extra color. So let's take a look at those details and move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, we've got underlays of that light pop of pink, Cactus Jack branding. We've got the tumbled leather in red. I will say this is definitely higher quality than a lot of the Air Jordan 1 lows I have in my collection. Wrapping around to the back, we've got some Travis branding on one side of the collar, and then we've got the Air Jordan logo embroidered on the right side. So the same color blocking on the lateral and medial side. That's kind of different, I guess, with the Shy Pink. You do get 2 different colors on both the swoosh marks. This one is the same with the pop of red. Then we've got this eggshell tone for the midsole and that light pink for the outsole. And the box matches this pretty perfectly. A little light pink on top of that cream colorway. All right, let's take a look at those. Last and final details, then jump into size and fit. All right, so I typically size up in most of my Jordans, but for the Air Jordan 1 lows, I am true size at 7.5. Do have high arch narrow feet, so do take that into consideration when deciding on what size range will fit best for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, we are getting into the summer heat of New York already. We've had some really warm days, some really cold days. It's been kind of strange, but I am foreseeing in the future we will have a very, very hot summer here in New York. So I wanted to give you some short options. For the first look, I decided to wear these parachute shorts, which are going to be super trendy all summer long. I wore those in a red and cream shade to match this perfectly. For the top, I kept it simple with a long sleeve white shirt. I do feel like spring, summer, long sleeve shirts are 100% going to be trending for this year.
My skin is rusty, all my tears are dried, my eyes are dusty. I used to feel before I turned sarcastic. Oh, I miss me when I was elastic. Got me tangled in your wires, made me think that the clocks are really liars. That time my love fell to you like danger. You put me on a hanger like a cold in the summer.
Then for the second look, I decided to switch it up with some patterns. I wore some polka dot shorts in red and cream. Polka dots are super, super trendy right now. And then for the top, I wore a lace tank top in cream and beige. I definitely feel like lace eccentric pieces for the ladies out there, that's gonna be trending as well.
When there's rain going down your face, like a rag in your shower, you use me just so I can wipe away your mess, like a cold in the summer, like a fox in the desert. You keep me hiding. I'd rather make you think I'm happy. I like it when you know you can't bite me.
And for the last and final look, kept it super casual with some baggy light denim pants. And then for the top, I decided to match it perfectly with this red and pink bodysuit.
Amazing. The stupid games you play to drive me crazy. You pretend to forget and then remember. Sometime around this year, like a cold in the summer. You only need me when there's rain going down your face, like a rag in your shower. You use me just so I can wipe away your mess.
Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite look out of the 3.
What's your move? Something in the way you walk. Lose my grip when you talk that talk. You're possessing my point of view. Is that what you like? Girl, is that what you like? You can touch, I don't mind. If you break, you bite. Is that what you like? Is that what you like? Is that dress, it's too tight. Guess if that's what you like. Is that what you like? Is that what you like? Is that dress, it's too tight. Guess if that's what you like. Bada bada bing bing, bada bada boom. All eyes on you when you're stepping in the room. Little bit of vintage, little bit of new. Little bit of tension, little bit of you. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You can bring a friend, come and get it to the moment. Fly you to Japan, I'ma take you on a road trip. We don't got a plan, we can push it to the morning. Is that what you like? Girl, is that what you like? that what you like? Is that what you like? Is that dress? It's too tight. Guess if that's what you like.
Now let's conclude with how crazy well these are doing currently on the resale market. So again, these retailed at $155. Depending on what size range you are, these are going on a lower scale of $400 to a higher scale of $900. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much for joining. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.
What you like? Is that what you like? Is that dress? It's too tight. Guess if that's what you like. Ba-da-ba-da.